How to enable biometric login in HDFC app. First of all, open the HDFC MobileBanking app on your phone and log in using your 4-digit PIN as usual. Once you are logged in, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. Now, tap on your profile. After that, scroll and select Security Center. Inside the Security Center, you will find several options. Here, tap on Manage Easy Login Method. You will now see the option to enable fingerprint or biometric login. Simply toggle the switch next to the biometric option. If your phone supports fingerprint, it will automatically register. Once enabled, log out of the app and you will now see a biometric option on the login screen. Just use your fingerprint and you will be logged in instantly without entering any PIN. And that's it. Now you know how to enable biometric login in HDFC app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.